Thank you, the chairperson. How can gas and gas cooker be same?
You're allowed, Adnan.
Point of defense. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairperson. I would like to defend my colleague. I would like to answer the question which is gas. Gas is part of matter. Matter is the environment which is gas is part of matter. Thank you.
Thank you for your good answer.
You're allowed.
Thank you, the chairperson. What is matter?
You're allowed, Mr. Said. Thank you, the chairperson. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Thank you. You're allowed.
What is a mass?
You're allowed, Shakur. Mass is amount of matter and substances. Thank you. You're allowed. You're allowed. Thank you, Sir Engineer. What's the meaning of the word substance? Substances.
Give us time.
Can draw more times as 1,000 times. My
Thank you, the chairperson. Through you, chairperson, I would like to inform my precurrent speaker that who made a machine is a person, not a machine maker himself.
Are written in foreign languages, which make difficult to understand. My third view. Mandatory and lazines.
Thank you, the chairperson. What are lazines?
Please defend yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. I have no answer to that, so I would like to continue my views. Thank you very much, Sir in Chair. I would like to inquire from the current speaker to inquire the word device.
Thank you, the chairperson. I request for the speaker to explain for us the meaning of highway.
Thank you, the chairperson. Give me examples of heavy machines.
Thank you, the chairperson. I would like to defend the precurrent speaker from proposals. For example of heavy machines is like tractors.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairperson. I would like to inquire the meaning of the word communication.
Please defend yourself. You are allowed.
Thank you, the chairperson. Communication is the sending of messages from one place to another.
Thank you. You can continue.
Thank you, the chairperson. Please, can you explain us the meaning of industrial?
Depression, obesity, and hydration. The use of machines.
Thank you, the chairperson. What are hibernation?
You're allowed.
Which type of question are you asking us? Please defend yourself.
You're allowed.
I am asking, Said is asking you, explain the word.
I would like to inquire from the current speaker. Excuse me, sorry. Thank you very much, dear chairperson. I would like to inquire from the current speaker to explain to the House the meaning of the word spade.